Former Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu, his wife, and daughter Sonia stood trial accused of a conspiracy to bring the man to Britain from Lagos for his body parts. It was alleged that the 21-year-old street trader was to be rewarded for donating the organ to Sonia Ekweremadu in an $80,000 private procedure at London's Royal Free Hospital. Dr. Obim Obeta, the medical middleman, was found guilty. The Ekweremadu's daughter, Sonia, 25, wept as she was cleared of the same charge. The case marks the first time defendants have been convicted under the Modern Slavery Act of an organ harvesting conspiracy. Though it is lawful to donate a kidney, it becomes criminal if money or another material advantage is rewarded. The prosecution claimed the donor was offered up to $7,000 along with the promise of a better life in the UK. The donor did not understand until his first appointment with a consultant at the hospital that he was there for a kidney transplant, the Old Bailey head. He was said by the consultant to have a limited understanding of why he was there and was visibly relieved at being told the operation would not go ahead. It was claimed the man was falsely presented at Sonia's cousin in a failed bid to persuade medics to carry out the procedure at the Royal Free. The donor cannot be identified for legal reasons. The Ekweremadus, who have an address in Willesden Green, northwest London, and Dr. Obeta from Southwark, South London, denied the charges against them.